SoundTraxx is excited to introduce the newest addition to the Blunami line of decoders, the BLU-1100. This small but powerful decoder is designed for HO and N-scale models, making it the first Blunami small enough to bring wireless control and premium sound to N-scale locomotives. The Blunami 1100 is a 1 amp, 4-function decoder with a 1 watt amplifier utilizing SoundTraxx industry-leading digital sound technology. The dimensions are engineered to meet the requirements of most N-scale installations, as well as HO scale installations where space is limited. With Blunami, you can control your trains right from your smartphone or tablet. No command station is required. Adjust the speed, sound, lighting, and more with just a tap of your phone's touchscreen. The BLU-1100 comes packed with SoundTraxx industry-leading sound library, giving you the realism and performance you would expect, but now in a decoder that fits smaller models. The wait is over. Blunami is available in N-scale. Visit SoundTraxx.com to learn more and bring the next generation of control to your railroad today. SoundTraxx has come through again for the N-scale and model railroading community at large. And SoundTraxx decoders are produced right here in the United States. SoundTraxx, we make your model trains come to life.